In this video, we'll explore the Segment Selector, another powerful and precise tool in Auto BIM Route. This feature allows you to select specific segments of your route and adjust their attributes. This is especially useful when only certain portions of a route need height changes without affecting the entire path. Let's walk through how it works. We'll begin by importing our feeder schedule with its predefined runs. Next, we activate Segment Selector mode by clicking its icon in the toolbar. As you can see, we have a total of 10 runs. We'll start by selecting the first 3 segments, then right-click to open the Quick Actions menu. From here, we choose Modify Segment Attributes. This opens a pop-up where we can set the routing and electrical zone heights. Let's set the R height to 12 feet and the E height to 15 feet for these first 3 segments. We'll leave the middle 4 segments unchanged. Then, we select the last 3 segments and repeat the process, this time setting the R height to 6 feet and E height to 10 feet. Once the segments are configured, we click Generate Routes, and just like that, the AI takes over and creates the updated routing in seconds. Now let's click Visualize in 3D to see the result. As you can see, the first 3 segments are routed above the base height. The middle 4 segments remain unchanged. The last 3 segments are routed below the base height, exactly as we defined. The remaining segments stayed at their default level, just as intended. And that's it. With just a few easy steps, we modified the height of specific segments, without affecting the full route. The Segment Selector is a perfect example of how Auto BIM Route gives you precise control and flexibility, allowing you to design exactly what your project needs, with just a few clicks and a few seconds of processing.